In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Copilot in Outlook. Before we jump into the settings, it's important to understand one key requirement. Copilot in Outlook is a premium Microsoft feature, and it only appears if your account has a qualifying Microsoft 365 subscription. Because Copilot is deeply connected to your Microsoft apps, files, and workspace, the option to enable it will not show up unless your subscription supports it. So if you open Outlook and don't see the Copilot setting, that usually means your current plan doesn't include access yet. Keeping that in mind will save you time and help you understand why the feature may or may not be visible on your screen. Once you've confirmed that your Microsoft 365 subscription includes Copilot, go ahead and open Outlook. After Outlook is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see the gear icon there, which opens the settings menu. Click that gear icon to continue. When the settings panel opens, look along the left side for the Copilot section. Depending on your version of Outlook and your account access, it should appear as its own option in the settings list. Click on Copilot to open those settings. From there, you should see a toggle that allows you to turn Copilot on. Simply switch that toggle on, and that's it. Once enabled, Copilot should be available in Outlook, allowing you to use its AI-powered features where supported. If you don't see the Copilot option after opening settings, the most common reason is still subscription eligibility. In some cases, it may also help to make sure you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account, especially if you use more than one account in Outlook. The feature is tied to the licensed account, so using a different account can affect what options appear. Also, keep in mind that Outlook updates over time, so the exact layout may look slightly different, depending on whether you're using the desktop app or a web-based version. Even so, the overall process remains the same. Open Outlook, click the gear icon, find Copilot in the settings menu, and turn the toggle on. That's all you need to do to enable Copilot in Outlook. Once it's available and switched on, you'll be ready to start using it inside your Outlook experience.